Howdy, folks. Welcome back to Chopper's Rusty Customs. Well, it's Tuesday, and I told y'all I'd get a video up today about the distributors I do and some of the ways I do them. So I'm not going to keep this part very long. Give me a few minutes to readjust my camera so you can see what I'm doing, and we'll get right back to it. Howdy, welcome back, folks. Well, here we go. There's a few different ways I do my distributors. I take the original distributor and drill a hole in it to add the wires. I painted it red so you could see the difference. And then these are little wires that I cut down to 2 inches. It started off in a roll like this. It's $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. I use my 40% discount. It's a little over $2 if I remember correctly. There's about 100 feet, I think. So when I found it, it works perfectly for what I wanted to do. I bought 2 rolls, so I never lose it or run out of it. The other thing I've done is I've kind of made myself a drill bit size check. And now there's no markings on here because the only thing I do with it is I find the hole that fits it best. Oops. And then I go grab the drill bit or pin drill that fits that. And I'm ready to go to start drilling. This is another distributor I do. I looked up the name for it online on Google and everything, and I just got told distributors. So if you know what the name of it actually is, that works. But this here is 4 4-inch pieces cut out of this for this style of distributor. And on this style of distributor, there's a plate on both sides on the 1-to-1s where your plug wires plug into it. I tried doing that with a little pin vise and small wire, and I got more glue on my hands than I did the parts. So what I started doing is I drill a pilot hole and then drill until it gets big enough so I can slip it around on the wire, and then I put them in the middle, glue it down, and then run my wires from there. Now, I've also taken and cut 4 lengths, squeezed the end real tight after I bent them in half, and then used them to also do that style of distributor. I've been known to make a few of my own distributors using styrene tubing, but unfortunately I didn't have any of the correct size. I'd need to make a trip to town to go buy some more, and when I do, I'll make another video on how I do those. Some of the ones I do out of the styrene. This is an older one. It's an alright one, not too good one. And it just sits up in my parts bin because I didn't care for the wire that I used on it. So there's three different ways you can do it. This way is a little bit more tedious, trying to get 8, 9 wires if you're doing a coil to go into that hole and stay there with glue. It can be quite tedious. Doing it this way with this one, it takes a little bit to get the hole exact, but once you get the hole exact, it's simple. Taking the 4 wires and bending them over and squishing them down and putting them in. This style is a little bit more hectic because the way I've gotten it to work is to put the wire in there with the glue already in and then hit it with the quick set, which works sometimes, other times it makes it real brittle and breaks. So this is a few of the ways I do my distributors. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me in the comments section if I wasn't clear on something. You know, go ahead and ask the question. I'm going to pause this for a minute, put the camera back where it goes, and you get to see my ugly face again, and we can finish out the video. Here we are again. Well, I'm having a pretty good start of the week. I got a little bit more done on the Challenger. All I got left to do now to the motor is put on some decals, which I normally don't do, but I'm trying to learn to do more to the motor so they look better and look more real. More detail, that's the word I was looking for. So it's a learning thing, but I'm having fun doing it. Normally I rush my models. I can knock one out every 2 weeks if I wanted to. But as of course, speed doesn't make things look good. So I've started slowing down to get my models to look the way I want them to and make them better. I've been doing this almost 9 years now. You'd think I could get it going in the right direction someday. But we're a little over probably about 6 minutes or so for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here and get it set up and get it up on YouTube. I thank you all my subscribers. I think I'm up around 110 subscribers now, which is amazing. I thank you all that watch, that tell your friends to watch me, and hope you all have a great day. Rest in peace.